video will show you how to complete the online job searching website assignment for the week 5 grad portfolio class homework. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to google.com right here, and you're going to sign in with your account. Then you're going to go to the grad portfolio website. You're going to go to weekly assignments. You're going to find where it says week 5 assignment. You're going to go ahead and you're going to click on this, and it's going to open in a new window. It's where it says click here for the online job searching resources assignment. It'll be underneath the video. This video will be right here once you see this. I just am making it right now. So this will open a Google Doc. If you notice, you can't type in here because, like the resume template a couple of weeks ago, you have to save it to your own Google Drive. So since you're already logged in, it should say your email address up here in the corner. You're going to go ahead to File, Make a Copy. And I want you to put your name here. Instead of copy of, I want you to put, obviously you're not going to put Miss Bluff unless that's your name. And you're going to keep the rest of that, and you're going to click OK. And now it's going to open again, except you can actually write in this one this time. If you see the cursor moves around, you could type in it if you wanted to. The computer's being slow. Alright, so you can close this other window. Now you're going to go back to the class website, and I'm actually going to pull this out so it opens with a separate window so you can see both, but you don't have to do this. Okay, here it's going to give you some online job searching websites. If you read the directions up here, it says watch the video on the class website, which is what you're watching right now, to help you complete the first job search site in this assignment, Craigslist, which is one we're about to do. Then complete the other 3 websites on your own. What you're going to do is you're going to pick 3 from this list of 5 other websites other than Craigslist. You'll pick 3 of those to do this. Says go to one of the online job searching websites on the class website, find the search box on the page, on the job searching page. So let's go ahead and go to Craigslist. And Craigslist is a little bit different, which is why I'm showing it to you. The direction says when it asks you to put in a location, put Sacramento, but in Craigslist it automatically detects that you're in Sacramento and you don't have to do anything. Also, Craigslist is an everything site. It's not just a job site. So you got to go over here and go to where it says jobs. The next thing it says, complete the questions in the box below. When you're done with the entire assignment, there's several pages. See, if you look, it's website number 4, website number 3, number 2, number 1. This is the one we're doing right now. You're going to have to do it on your own, though, to put the Craigslist one, to put your own answers in. So anyway, when you're done with this assignment, print 2 copies and turn it into your teacher. Oh, before I forget, at the top of the page, put your name here, put today's date. There we go. Alright, so back to Craigslist here. The first thing you're going to look at is up at the top. It's going to tell you how many listings it found. It found 9,939 listings. So we will put here 9939. Okay, 5 options, the second thing that's here. 5 options the site gives you to narrow your search. So you're going to go back here, and the options it's going to give you over on this side, it's going to let you choose the category. So it says show the categories. Search titles only, has image. So here, let's move this over here. So 5 options. Show 32 categories. Search titles only. Has image. Posted today. Is contract. Okay, for the next thing you have to find, it says look at the most recent job that was posted. You may have to change how it sorts. So here, Craigslist said it's on newest already, so you don't have to change how it sorts, but sometimes it'll say relevant. You don't want relevant, you want newest. And it says take a look at the most recent job, so that's going to be the top one right here. It says JavaScript Ninja, so let's click on that. So what is the job title? Here the title of the ad. It says JavaScript Ninja. So I'm going to type that in. That actually sounds kind of cool if you have that kind of knowledge. JavaScript is a computer language, basically. What company is the job with? So usually the company will say somewhere on here, a lot of times down at the bottom. Here it says Stone Cobra is located in Roseville, so Stone Cobra is the company. Does not have to be in bold. What are some of the requirements for the job listed? So here are a whole bunch. You don't have to copy and paste all of them. I would just go copy some of them. All just CSS, HTML, knowledge of JavaScript. Copy paste is easy. Experience with XML. So this looks like a pretty skilled job that's here. Basic knowledge of the latest design and development trends from tablet, mobile, blah, blah, blah. Let's just copy and paste a few of them. Oops, didn't like that. Oh, I just realized I copied and pasted the last one. Fine. Highlight, copy, paste. All right, what does it say to do? You don't need to list all of them. Usually it's not going to have that many things on there. What does it say to do to apply for the job? It just says apply here. So don't write apply here, write click link to apply from ad. So don't just say apply here, because I won't know what that means if I read that. So apply from the ad, there's a link. Okay, would you apply for this job? Why or why not? So you need to say if you'd apply for this job. Well, me, I wouldn't apply for this job for two reasons. First, I already have a job. Let's make this all the way size so you can read it already. Second, I do not have the experience necessary. Pretty much you need to be a computer programmer for that job. I definitely don't have computer programming experience. Let's see, that's pretty easy to just fill out one of these boxes right here. It only took a few minutes. So you guys will be on your own for the rest of this. There we go. But you will, I'm going to go through and I'm going to go ahead and show these to you just real quick to kind of look at some of these. We're going to open all of them in tabs and I'll go to them one by one. All right, first one says usajobs.gov, and this is actually to get a job with a government organization. So what you're going to look for is you'll start typing in Sacramento and you'll choose Sacramento from the list. Click search. You don't have to type in any keywords. Right now you're just looking for anything. It's going to give you a whole list of jobs. Now remember, we want to sort by date, not relevance. So let's go to open date. And remember, the next question that it asks you is 5 options the site gives you to narrow your search. Oh, number of listings found, sorry. Number of listings found, let's see, it says 71 results. It says 5 options the site gives you to narrow your search. That's over on this side. U.S. citizens or federal employees, so basically who may apply is one of the options. Keywords an option, salaries an option, pay grades an option, job categories, and it gives you different types of jobs right here. Those are all options that you could write down. What is the job title of the most recent job? Veterinary medical officer veterinarian. So you would write down some of the, let's see, this is studio locations. This took you out of Sacramento somehow. Well, that's interesting. It's giving you most recent jobs. It says you're searching in Sacramento, but then it has jobs that, oh, okay, no, there's more locations. So maybe it's Sacramento. Anyway, it's going to give you requirements, basic qualifications. Again, you can summarize that. You need to have a doctor of veterinary medicine degree, license to practice veterinary medicine, prove that you got an education. And yeah, it looks like really that's it. You have to be a vet to apply for this job. So you would we would write that in there. The requirements for the job, what does it say to do to apply for the job? Whoops. You'd scroll probably all the way down to the bottom, how to apply. And again, you can copy and paste this if there's a lot of stuff here, but pretty much it says, oh, okay, create a USA Jobs account, create a resume, apply online. So I would just put that for what does it ask you to do? It says apply online. Would you apply for this job? Why or why not? Well, probably none of you are veterinarians, so you would put, no, I wouldn't apply for this job because I'm not a veterinarian. Pretty much that idea. All right, next website, it's going to be Indeed.com. It already fills out Sacramento. It figures out where you are based on your computer. You click on Find Jobs. And again, you need to sort this. It says relevance. You need to switch it over to date. So click date. So again, job listings found. It has found, you're not looking here, that says 82 new jobs. That's since the last time I got to this site. I was at the site before looking at this. So it says it found 13,575 jobs if you look there. So that's what you would put. 5 options the site gives you to narrow your search. Distance, how far it is from Sacramento, salary estimate, title of the job, what is it you'll be doing, company, location, if you want to get out of Sacramento, type of job. So those are things you'll put. Okay, again, you already sorted by new, so you would click on the first job, and it's going to ask you what are some of the requirements listed for the job. Right here it says required experience, excellent customer service skills, excellent phone and email etiquette. Remember we talked about phone etiquette, email etiquette. Strong work ethic, energetic, kind, sincere, experience working with customer service. What does it say to do to apply for the job? Let's go back here. Yeah, there's a link on the website to apply. And would you apply for this job? Why or why not? Well, do you meet the requirements? It says, does it sound like it's interesting? That's what you're going to fill out. Okay. Next job site, let's close that. Next job site is going to be Career Builder. Again, put Sacramento. No keywords, just Sacramento. Again, you are going to sort by newest, jobs first, right there. And to narrow your search, again, the things that they have, the options that they have, posted within the last 30 days. Types of job, it's got the categories here. What company maybe do you want to work for? What city maybe do you want to work in? And now it's got these jobs right here. You could click on the job app. Next one, Simply Jobs. Again, it pre-fills Sacramento. Some of the sites will do that, some of them won't. You want to sort by date. And here are the options. Date posted, distance, job title, company, job type. What education do you need for the job? That might be a good one. You might want to just look at one that just requires high school. Okay, one thing up here, see how the blue section, it says ads. You don't want to use these jobs. You want to start down here in the white section, but you don't want to go with anything that says ads. So, and last but not least, Monster.com. I don't particularly like this one, so you're going to put Sacramento again. You're going to click search. They don't really give you a lot of choices. You can sort by date, that's already what it's sorted as, and you'll have to click advanced search to get the options, but even when there's options, there's really not that many options. It's not like the other ones where there's lists of things you can choose from. You have to really know what you're looking for. So I don't particularly like that, but you can use it if you want. All right, back to this. If you have any questions, please let me know, or let your teacher know, or go to lab and ask for help. But go ahead and complete this assignment. Have a good week.